In today's video, I am going to teach you how to place a harness on a Happy Ghast in Minecraft 26.1.2. Before you begin, make sure you already have a harness in your inventory and that your Happy Ghast is fully grown. This only works once the Happy Ghast has reached its adult form, so if it is still growing, you will need to wait until that process is complete before trying to equip anything. Once you are ready, place the harness in your hand. This is important because the game only lets you equip the harness if you are actively holding it. Open your hotbar, select the harness, and keep it equipped as you move closer to the Happy Ghast. Next, walk directly up to the Happy Ghast. Stand close enough so that you can interact with it. When you are in range, right-click on the Happy Ghast while holding the harness. As soon as the interaction works, the harness will be placed on the Happy Ghast. You will also see that it now wears aviator goggles along with the harness. That visual change confirms that the item has been equipped successfully. After the harness is on the Happy Ghast, you are ready to ride it. To do that, right-click the Happy Ghast again. This second interaction is what lets you mount it. Once mounted, you can begin flying with the Happy Ghast. One useful thing to know is that a harnessed Happy Ghast can carry more than one rider. Up to 4 players can ride the same Happy Ghast at the same time. That makes it a good option if you are traveling with friends and want to fly together instead of using separate mounts. If the harness does not equip right away, check 2 things first. Make sure you are still holding the harness, and make sure the Happy Ghast is fully grown. Those are the 2 main requirements. Also, make sure you are close enough to interact with the mob when you right-click. So the process is simple. Have a harness ready. Confirm that your Happy Ghast is fully grown. Hold the harness in your hand, walk up to the Happy Ghast and right-click to equip it. Then right-click again to mount and start flying. That covers everything you need to know.